Hi friend, I'm Nancy from SANVI Auto Lights. Our company is located in 28th Building, Xenon Industry Park, Guangzhou, China. This is our factory. SANVI has focused on the research, development, and production of automotive headlights since 2007, get China's National High-Tech Enterprise Certificate. In our life, each product will undertake all kinds of strict tests. SANVI Research and Development Department includes optical, electronic, structural, thermal, and other designs. This is SANVI SMT production line, manifold driver patch production as well as AOI inspection, X-ray inspection. All electronic material will be stored in a constant temperature and humidity warehouse. Besides produce our SANVI brand products, we also provide OEM service. Each product will undergo agent test to ensure product quality. Each product will be tested in pairs to ensure the light consistency. Batch of product will be tested in a 25-meter dark room. Each section has high standard optical data requirements to allow users to have a perfect night driving experience. This is SANVI showroom. We will show our hot-selling products to our guests, and more products will be displayed on SANVI website. This is our finished product warehouse. We have a large inventory to ensure the fastest delivery to our customers. This is our SANVI company. We look forward to cooperating with you. Thank you.